Alright, good morning to yous. Oh, I hope you all had a good sleep. Right, this morning I'm going to have show you a nice easy breakfast that I have here in New Zealand. Today all I'm going to have is some New Zealand Weet-Bix and one kiwi fruit cut up and diced. And I've got 3 Weet-Bix, and then I've got this nice New Zealand probiotic yogurt, natural yogurt. It's got 5 grams of protein in it, and it's low in sugar. And then I'm going to add some Farmhouse Meadow Fresh milk to it as well. And that's I like that because it's quite thick, it's quite creamy. I like that with my coffee too. That's really good milk, that Farmhouse. If you haven't tried it, give it a go. This here, it is expensive, but I do like it. I find it's really good on my tummy. So yeah, this is how I do it. Just chuck that in there, bit of kiwi fruit, chuck that in there, and then wham a bit of that in there. Yeah, tip it in. I quite like a bit of yogurt on mine. I'm not too fussy with it. I can just buy some more. Health everything, you know. It's good stuff. Probiotic yogurt. And then, as we know, you'd love to see it, Farmhouse full cream. And I just love it. Straight out of the carton. Yeah. So that's me. That'll keep me going for a few good hours, and then go for a good walk. Take care everyone, give it a try.